Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Today in this video, I want to go over Allbridge, this message that came out through Medium. This is important because we've been talking about Coreum, Sologenic, the Ethereum virtual machine, WebAssembly, XRP, and this specifically is going to create a layer 2 that could potentially work with the XRP ledger, with Coreum, with Flare Finance, Flare Network, Songbird Network, with Polkadot, Kusama, Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Polygon, Terra, Solana, Harmony, Cello, Hecko, Avalanche, Ethereum, all these right here, and then some, because they are working on EVM and WebAssembly. This can be really big news. It is big news regardless, even if they only work with the XRP ledger, because they are going to be able to bridge all of those assets onto the XRP ledger to where they use the decentralized exchange. And the decentralized exchange is Sologenic for the most part because it has the best tools. The NFT marketplace that goes live today. Probably by next week you'll be able to buy NFTs. I don't know if you'll be able to buy them today, but we'll see what happens. And those NFTs are burning. Like, I have talked to the creators of some of the projects, and they do have to burn 3 solo per collection. And some of them are having to burn 3 solo per mint, which is 1 NFT. So there's a lot of Sologenic being burned right now that they're not telling you. And this is really exciting. So let's get into this. Allbridge is a cross-chain bridge with more than 500 million in total value locked. Is integrating the XRP ledger as it's the 12th blockchain, allowing for the seamless transfer of its native digital asset XRP across Ethereum, Avalanche, Solana, Terra, Polygon, Phantom, Binance Smart Chain, Cello, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Aurora, Harmony, and Hecko. I'm not sure where they get this 12th blockchain from. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so it's the 12th blockchain that they're adding to this, which means they're not done. They're just using XRP next. And they already have Binance Smart Chain, which Coreum is going to be working with Binance Smart Chain, Sologenic, and it's web. So that right here they're showing it's WebAssembly, and because Avalanche and why do I keep saying Avalanche and Solana are WebAssembly and EVM compatible, and Coreum will be WebAssembly compatible. This integration will also bring assets such as AVAX, Sol, Luna, Matic, as well as USDT, USDC, and UST stablecoins directly to the XRP ledger, leveraging its built-in decentralized exchange. This is massive, you all, because if you were to trade XRP for USD in your Solo DEX or on the XRPL DEX, regardless, you're trading with gateways and you're not able to actually move that USD off of the XRP ledger. Now, I don't know if you had this issue, if any of you had this issue, but if you sold XRP for Songbird, you weren't able to move Songbird onto onto the Songbird network through your Bifrost wallet for the snapshot in December. You had to sell that Songbird back to XRP, move that XRP to Bitrue, and then from Bitrue sell XRP for Songbird, and then send Songbird to Bifrost. This, in theory, would shorten that the actions that you would have to take to make that happen. So if that happens, this is massive. This is this could be a big deal, especially since they're going to become a layer 2 for all of these. That's interesting because Polygon is a layer 2 to Ethereum. Most of these are actually, so Polygon is a layer 2 to Ethereum, and then so they're going to be a layer 2 to Polygon. That's kind of meta right there. That's a layer to a layer to a layer. This is Allbridge. This is Allbridge. The XRP ledger was created in 2012 with the first DEX. Other capabilities inherent to the XRP ledger, such as auto bridging, allow for assets transferred to the XRPL to access the DEX's existing liquidity to create synthetic order books for assets. Pathfinding functionality also allows assets to find an efficient path for trade. You see this technology already in swaps, like Uniswap, and when you enter your pairs that you're trying to trade, it'll show you the path of least resistance for the best fees. So, and that's a very important feature. Like that is what allows the swaps to happen in the first place, instead of going from just one asset to another. So for the ability for XRP to already have that built in, they really thought into the future about how all of this was going to work, even further than what they show us, even like further than all of that. Because I mean, the XRP was created before Ethereum. So if they knew what Ethereum was going to do essentially before they did it, and they were already cheaper. They just needed the time to develop. And the SEC versus Ripple case, well, I don't want to get into that. We'll get into that later. That's a whole nother story. I don't want to take your guys' time. I know it's a mighty and powerful day, and I don't want to waste your time like that. You guys got bigger and better things to do with your life, and I appreciate that, and I value that. So here it is, Allbridge. Allbridge is a simple, modern, and reliable way to transfer assets between different networks. It is a bridge between both EVM and non-EVM compatible blockchains that aim to cover layer 2 solutions and NFT transfers in the future. Allbridge's mission is to make the blockchain world borderless and provide a tool to freely move assets between various blockchains. That sounds like a bridge to me. That sounds like, out of all the bridges I've been playing around with, this seems like the coolest one. It's like the hub of all bridges. Allbridge. You see what they did there? That's good. I like that. That's big in marketing. All right, so for those of you who don't know and about Ripple, or want to know more, here it is right here. Ripple is a crypto solutions company that transforms the world, how the world moves, manages and tokenizes value to inspire new business models and create more economic opportunity. Our long-term vision is to enable the Internet of Value, where the world moves value like information moves today. Through Ripple X, we contribute to accelerating the Internet of Value by inspiring and enabling developers to build solutions that use the XRP ledger, its native digital asset, XRP, and related technologies. They sure do know how to express what Ripple is. And notice how they called out XRP ledger and digital asset XRP, so they're separating it from themselves. That's smart. Have a mighty and powerful day.